Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to build a successful e-commerce store from scratch. Starting an e-commerce business can be intimidating, but don't worry, we've got you covered. With a little bit of planning and some hard work, you can build a thriving online store that sells your products to customers all around the world. First things first, you'll need to decide on a niche for your store. What kind of products are you interested in selling? Do some research to see what's in demand and what other successful stores in your niche are offering. Picking a niche for your store is an important first step in the process of building a successful e-commerce business. You'll want to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a proven track record of success. To find a profitable niche, start by thinking about your hobbies and interests. What do you enjoy spending your time on? What products or services do you use on a regular basis? These can be great starting points for finding a niche that you'll enjoy working in. Next, do some research to see what's in demand in your chosen niche. Look at what other successful stores are selling and consider what gaps in the market you might be able to fill. You can also use tools like Google Trends to see what products and services are popular among consumers. Finally, be sure to consider the competition in your chosen niche. While it's good to have competition, you'll want to make sure that there's enough demand for your products to sustain a successful business. Look for niches that have a good balance of competition and demand, and be prepared to differentiate your products and services from those of your competitors. Now that you've chosen your niche and have a good idea of the products you want to sell, it's time to start building your e-commerce store. There are a number of e-commerce platforms available that make it easy to set up and manage an online store, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. When choosing a platform, consider your budget, technical skills, and the features that are important to you. Some platforms, like Shopify, offer a wide range of templates and customization options, while others, like WooCommerce, are more geared towards developers and offer more flexibility in terms of design and functionality. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to start setting up your store. Most platforms make it easy to add products, create categories, and set up payment and shipping options. You can also customize the look and feel of your store with templates and design options. In addition to the basic functionality of an e-commerce platform, many also offer additional features like marketing tools, customer relationship management, and analytics to help you grow and manage your business. So, don't be afraid to explore different options and find the platform that works best for you. With a little bit of time and effort, you'll be up and running with a professional-looking e-commerce store in no time. Next, you'll need to get your products and start marketing your store. There are a few different ways you can source your products, like manufacturing them yourself, dropshipping, or wholesaling. Choose the method that makes the most sense for your business. When it comes to marketing, it's all about finding your target audience and getting your store in front of them. Use social media, email marketing, and other digital marketing techniques to reach out to potential customers and drive traffic to your store. Once you've got your e-commerce store set up, it's time to start thinking about how you'll get your products and start marketing your store. There are a few different options for sourcing your products, including manufacturing them yourself, dropshipping, and wholesaling. If you're manufacturing your own products, you'll need to consider the costs of production, including materials, labor, and shipping. This can be a good option if you have a unique product or are looking to have complete control over the production process. Dropshipping is another option that can be less labor-intensive. With dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who manufactures and ships products directly to your customers on your behalf. This can be a good option if you're just starting out and don't want to invest in inventory up front. Wholesaling involves purchasing products in bulk from a manufacturer or supplier and then reselling them to your customers. This can be a good option if you have a large volume of sales and want to get a good price on your products. No matter which sourcing method you choose, it's important to do your research and choose a reliable supplier or manufacturer that can provide high-quality products and good customer service. Once you've got your products, it's time to start marketing your store. There are a number of ways to reach out to potential customers and drive traffic to your store, including social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization. Utilize these marketing techniques to find your target audience and get your store in front of as many potential customers as possible. With a little bit of planning and effort, you'll be well on your way to building a successful e-commerce business. Finally, don't forget about customer service. Building a successful e-commerce store means not only making sales, but also building a loyal customer base. Make sure to respond to customer inquiries and complaints promptly, and go above and beyond to make sure they have a positive experience shopping with you. Customer service is an important aspect of building a successful e-commerce store. In addition to making sales, it's important to build a loyal customer base by providing excellent customer service. One way to do this is by responding to customer inquiries and complaints promptly. This can include answering questions about products, addressing concerns about orders, and resolving any issues that may arise. In addition to responding promptly, it's also important to go above and beyond to make sure that your customers have a positive experience shopping with you. This can include offering exceptional customer service, providing helpful resources and information, and going the extra mile to make sure that your customers are satisfied. By prioritizing customer service, you can not only resolve issues and keep your customers happy, but also build a loyal customer base that will continue to shop with you in the future. So, don't forget to make customer service a key part of your e-commerce strategy. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to building a successful e-commerce store from scratch. Good luck, and happy selling!